Good morning, children. For getting success, there is only one lesson. Keep your focus on goal and go for it with passion. With these words, I welcome you all for today's English session. What do you see in the picture? Can you just say or imagine of what topic we are going to discuss today? We find a lot of speech bubbles here, which represents dialects or a conversation. Yes, you're correct. We are going to write dialects today, which is a part of creative writing. What do you mean by a dialect? Here comes the definition. A dialogue is a set of words spoken between two or more characters. Here we have an example of a dialogue which is spoken between two friends on a rainy day. Hello, Russell. How are you? Russell: I'm safe and sound today, but was not so yesterday. Sujan: what happened yesterday? I encountered heavy rain when I was going to bazaar to buy few things for cooking. Sujan: why did you not take an umbrella with you? Russell: indeed, the sky was clear and no piece of clouds was there when I left my home at noon. How did you save yourself? Russell: I could not save myself. Sujan: why did you not search any shelter? Russell: there was no building, so I could not save myself from rain and windstorm. Now, we shall see how we can write a dialogue. First and foremost, while we are writing a dialogue, the language that we use is important. The dialogue should represent or give away the actual words of the speaker. So, the form of language which is used should be simple. The points that we have to remember while writing a dialogue are given here. A dialogue must be written in reference to the given situation. We should clearly understand the situation and then start the dialogue writing. We are supposed to use our imagination to introduce a conversation. The conversation should be written in direct speech wherever possible. Use simple language while you write your conversation. Keep the dialogue concise, which means short and relevant to the topic that is given. Ensure your dialogue sounds natural and interesting. You may use contractions such as don't, shouldn't while you write your dialogue to make it sound natural. Use interjection such as oh, alas, hooray, and so on, in order to make the dialogue seem natural. The characters that can appear in your dialogue can be human beings, animals, objects, and you can also name your characters that appears. While you introduce the characters, use colon. Place the colon after the character's name, then write the spoken words. When a different character speaks, that is, when a new character starts his dialogue, write the dialogue in the next line, that is, start it in a fresh line. Include the actions, feelings, or expressions in bracket. For example, jumped, clapped his hands, cried, laughed, and so on. The very important thing in the dialogue is, that is dialogue writing, is all the characters should be given an equal share to speak. Share the dialogues equally to everybody, which means give importance to all characters. To end up with, make a conversation brief, which means short, rapid, fast, informative, interesting, realistic, and humorous. And I believe you understood the components or the way you should write a dialogue. You can try your hands by writing your own dialogues. I believe you would have enjoyed this session. Thank you. Meet you soon.